what if I told you that we can turn this video into this just by adding a single photo? Sounds interesting, right? All right, let's jump in and see how this works. All right, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to do face swaps and even full character swaps using the Akool platform, along with some truly impressive features. This platform also offers many other AI tools, including avatar videos, streaming avatars, text-to-speech, and much more. Okay, let's begin with the face swap feature. To do that, navigate to the face swap tool using the link in the description. With this tool, you can swap faces in both images and videos. You can even use links from YouTube, TikTok, and many other platforms to import videos or images directly. For this demo, I'll upload an image. Here you can see that the uploaded image has been processed and the person's face is detected. Now it's asking you to upload a new face. Simply click Upload, select the new face, and then click Generate to see the image with the swapped face. Oh, I almost forgot. Under the requirements option, you can choose from 4 different modes depending on whether you want a clearer face or a more accurate photo likeness. All right, it's completed. Let's take a look at the result and then try it again with a different face. Great. Now that you understand how it works, let's move on to an image with multiple people. This allows us to perform a multi-face swap. Let's see how it works. One more thing, you can even earn credits by publishing your generated images on Akool. All right, the image is uploaded. Now I'll swap the face of the woman in the blue dress. Perfect. Now that you have a clear idea of how you can use this, let's move on to Akool's new Face Swap Pro feature. This works similarly to the previous feature, and for now it only supports images. However, it's much more accurate and delivers a more detailed, realistic look for face swapping. Let's try it with a few images. All right, cool. Now let's try the character swap feature. You can access this page using the link in the description or by navigating through the menu. This feature allows you to replace the entire character in a video. Let's try it by swapping characters in a few TikTok videos and see the results. Here, I'll upload the TikTok video as the target video and the character image as the target image. For the model, you can choose between animate or replace. I'll go with animate. Right, the video has been generated with the new character. Let's watch it and then move on to creating another one. All right, guys, that's how the character swap works. Now, let's move on to the image to video feature and see how it works. As you may know, Akool supports many of the latest models, including Google Veo, Sora, WAN, and more. This means you can generate image to video content using a wide range of models. It also offers ready-made effects. That means you simply upload an image, select an effect, and click Generate. No prompt required. Here's what you need to do. Upload your image as the start frame and the end frame if you prefer. Then enter a prompt, select a model, and click Generate. All right, that's how it works. I hope you now have a clear idea of these features on Akool and how you can use them to create content your way. And I'm also doing a giveaway for 10 subscribers who comment on this video. So make sure to share this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, there are several offers currently available on the Akool platform for new subscribers. I'll be back with a new video soon. Goodbye.